you're hustling. I know you're grinding, and that's okay. I know you wanted to have a better future. Tama ba? I know you want to have a better reality. Tama ba? And all of that vision can come to pass. Sabi nga, no? I have come biblically. So you may have life and have it to the full. Yes? But we all have done it for others. We've all have done it for the people around you. But when was the last time really that you could say to yourself, kailan ko ba natanong yung sarili kong ako naman muna? Pwede bang kasiyahan ko muna? Pwede bang kapalaran ko muna? Sometimes, with our good intention to keep the peace around you, sometimes we have killed the peace inside you. Paminsan sa kagustuhan natin maging tama, nakalimutan natin maging tao. Paminsan, sa kagustuhan natin maging tulad nila, nakalimutan mo maging ikaw. When was the last time you prioritized you?
Katakpang sa lupa'y para akong inaalon at nalulunod sa patikos ng mundo, sa kung ano lamang ang kaya ko. Bigang-biga na sa mga problemang di masolusyonan agad. Parang wala nang bukas. Pwede bang umiwas? Hinahanap ang sarili, ngunit di nakakayanin sa ligaw na dinadaanan ko. Saan na to patungo? Saan ako patungo?
Pinaka-purpose ko in life is to be the voice or to be an instrument of God's grace to people. And for this song, I want everyone to see how beautiful your lives are.
Last quarter, we launched Ko Naman Muna movement. This is actually a movement wherein I would love to see the country first world country. I love the last few lines that's spoken in the song. It's all about I am enough. To what degree I am enough as who I am, dakilang laki, pinagpala ng may kapal, and therefore, we will now start to claim who we are by changing our mindset. That's how we want to change the country.
Kung dahan-dahan natin simulan muli ang pag-aba, dahan-dahan tumingin sa salamin upang makita ang ating kagandahan. Dahan-dahan iangat ang mukha upang masilayan ang payapang kalangitan. Oo, pagod ka na. Dahan-dahang tanggalin ang maskara at hayaang tumulo ang bumabadyang mga luha. Dahan-dahang iangat ang mukha upang masilayan mga taong hindi pinapahalagahan. Oo, pagod ka na, pero di ka nag-iisa. Kaya tumapan ka at sabihin, oh, ako naman muna. Ako naman muna. Pagod ka na, pero di ka nag-iisa. Kaya't lumaban ka at sabihin, ako naman muna.
It all started with a simple mission to spread the importance of self-care, to becoming a movement, to becoming a transformational event. Ako naman muna has come a long way in transforming, uplifting, and healing Filipino lives. Because ako naman muna shows you how to finally prioritize yourself. Give yourself the value, the time, and the love you deserve. Ako naman muna is here to remind you na unahin at mahalin mo naman ang sarili mo dahil palaging inuuna mo ang ibang tao.